Do you have any concerns like these in your factory? Jointly developed by Murata Manufacturing and Rutilia Incorporated, this system uses Edge AI cameras designed to be placed in work sites to help reduce work mistakes by analyzing people's movements. If Edge AI cameras are installed in positions where they can monitor the work being performed, the built-in AI detects human skeletal coordinates, objects and more in real time. Using coordinate data from the people and objects detected by the AI, the system detects whether the work is progressing as defined by the user, in addition to automatically detecting omissions and other work mistakes. The system also records the time taken, leading to fewer mistakes and improved work efficiency. Rutilia and Guest software allows the system to easily identify objects and register work without coding. The system can be easily and intuitively operated by anyone. It is also capable of smooth monitoring and analysis of work. The hardware can be used with the main body and camera parts separated, allowing easy installation on any site. Furthermore, it offers outstanding heat dissipation, allowing stable operation even over extended periods of time. This process work monitoring system using Edge AI cameras helps improve work quality and efficiency. For more details or inquiries, please contact us through our website.